Somebody lost their tail feathers. This one's always around. So anyway, they basically have to be in prison now because we think a fox might have tried to get them and they're not happy about it. Moira. They're all sorts of freaked out. And there's some of them under there too. Yep. But holy moly, in bigger news, I've been using a clothesline to dry clothes. And now we have a beautiful new dryer. I couldn't be more excited. They say that's how you know you're getting old, is when you're excited about appliances. But this thing has been so great. It's even like touch screen. I can't even. It's amazing. It's kind of a gloomy day. It's a few days after Christmas. We're going to start plowing up this ground so we can start planting right about here. All this area. We gotta get rid of all this brush. It's like a lot of hard work. We can do it though. We'll be fine. Still pretty gloomy today. We're gonna have to start collecting firewood and chopping some of this. It's supposed to get cold tomorrow. Like real cold. Still some feathers from the aftermath. Alright. Thanks for joining.